Ever pondered the question, why does an apple fall from the tree, but the moon doesn't fall from the sky? This conundrum, and many others like it, is the realm of physics, the science that deciphers the fundamental principles governing our universe. From the grandeur of galaxies to the minuscule world of quarks and neutrinos, physics has been instrumental in shaping our understanding of reality. Our journey starts with a man who was struck by an apple. Isaac Newton, the 17th century English mathematician, gave us the laws of motion and universal gravitation. These laws laid the groundwork for classical mechanics, the science of objects in motion. Newton's laws explain why we stay seated when a car stops suddenly and why a rocket can escape Earth's gravitational pull. Fast forward to the dawn of the 20th century, to a man with wild hair and an even wilder intellect, Albert Einstein. He gifted us the theory of relativity, a revolutionary concept that reshaped our understanding of space-time and gravity. It's because of Einstein that we know time slows down at high speeds and gravity is the bending of space by mass. Next, we meet the luminary Marie Curie, a pioneering figure in radioactivity. Curie, the first woman to win a Nobel Prize in both physics and chemistry, showed us that atoms were not the smallest unit of matter and that they could decay, releasing energy in the process. Her work paved the way for nuclear power and medical imaging. Then there's Max Planck, the man who dared to think differently. He introduced quantum theory, explaining the behavior of matter and energy at atomic and subatomic levels. Planck's work led to the development of quantum mechanics, which describes a world where particles can exist in multiple places at once and cats can be both dead and alive. Niels Bohr, a contemporary of Planck, furthered the understanding of the atom structure with his Bohr model. He proposed that electrons move in orbits around the nucleus akin to planets around the sun, a concept that remains a cornerstone of quantum mechanics. Going back a few centuries, we find Galileo Galilei, the man who stood up against the geocentric model of the universe. With his revolutionary observations using telescopes, Galileo provided substantial evidence supporting the heliocentric model, the concept that the Earth revolves around the sun. Then there's James Clerk Maxwell, who formulated the equations that unified electricity and magnetism into one force, electromagnetism. His work set the stage for the technological revolution that brought us everything from power grids to smartphones. A conversation about physics would be incomplete without mentioning Richard Feynman. Known for his work in quantum mechanics and quantum electrodynamics, Feynman also popularized physics through his engaging lectures and books, bringing the beauty of the subject to the general public. Finally, we come to Stephen Hawking, the man who took us to the edge of black holes. Hawking's work on black holes and cosmology, along with his best-selling book, A Brief History of Time, has inspired generations to look up at the stars and wonder. These luminaries and their contributions have shaped the field of physics, transforming our understanding of the universe. But remember, physics is a living, evolving entity, with countless scientists and researchers making important discoveries and advancements. The quest to unravel the mysteries of the universe continues, one equation at a time.